Welcome to Little Minds Biggest Achievers Education. Hello friends. Today we are going on a fun adventure to discover a magical sound, the E sound. Now guess what? This E sound is hiding in some super cool words. Let's go on a word hunt and find them together. Ebb sound words. Web, nab, gab. Let's do it one by one. Web. W-E-B. Web. Nab. N-E-B. Nab. Gab. G-E-B. Gab. Add sound words. Bed, fed, led, mad. Let's do it one by one. Bed. B-E-D. Bed. Fed. F-E-D. Fed. Led. L-E-D. Led. Mad. M-E-D. Mad. Egg sound words. Bag, leg, rag, tag, veg. Let's do it one by one. Bag. B-E-G. Bag. Leg. L-E-G. Leg. Rag. R-E-G. Rag. Tag. T-E-G. Tag. Veg. V-E-G. Veg. Very good friends. You are a great learner. Thank you for watching. If you like, then share and subscribe to become a family. Bye bye. Love you all.